Hey guys, welcome back to CharisMarieTV. Today I'm showing you guys my new updated makeup routine. Using a new technique, I've taken out putting foundation over my whole face all together and just put in things where I need it and then blend it out, and it gives a really nice coverage. As you guys will see, coming up, my skin is terrible right now, like acne and bumps everywhere, but we look cute, we look put together. Doing some new things different, and I really hope you guys liked it. Like it, and if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I've already primed my skin off camera using the Smashbox Photo Ready Foundation Primer. And next, what you're going to see me do is take this Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F14. It's about 2 to 3 shades darker than my skin tone. And I'm putting it in the places that I would naturally get dark on my face. Not to contour per se. If I were contouring, I would have put the line a bit higher up rather than beneath my cheekbone. But I did that so that when I blend out everything, I have natural definition within my face. Okay, so next what I'm doing, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn and putting that under my eye and naturally anywhere I would highlight if I had on foundation. It's going to look like a lot of product, but what I'm doing is squeezing it out into the applicator and then using the applicator tape to spread it across my face. So it looks like I'm squeezing a lot of product when really I'm just spreading it across my face. Okay, I'm sure you can tell by now that this technique is very Instagram, you know what I mean? And don't worry, you can make it your own. If you want to be more defined, you would just use more of the contour shade in the right places, of course. Today, I did use a bit more concealer than I usually do when I do this technique, but it still blends out fine in the end. And sorry about all my lip movements. Initially, I was going to do a talk through, but it just didn't work out because I'm singing and listening to music. It's just too much. Also, too, I'm sure you noticed I'm using a new concealer. That's only because the Fawn blends out too close to my skin tone. So I have to add a little bit of this Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 to brighten it and make it work. But like I said, I was very focused on highlighting today. A bit more than usual, but it still works out. And now is when we add the foundation product. In this case, it's actually a concealer, a Primark concealer in the shade Caramel. I'm taking that and filling in the areas that don't have any product. You really don't have to use as much product as I used, but this is the beginning stages of me developing this technique. But now I use less product, definitely less concealer, and it still looks fine. Okay, now it's time to blend everything together, and to do that I'm using a flat round brush from BS Small. I'm starting with my under eyes, the highlighted areas, then the foundation, and then the contour. To me this is the best way to blend it, and I'm using patting, stippling motions rather than circles or swiping, so that way the products don't contaminate with one another. And yes, I know right now it looks super crazy, like, Charis, what are you doing? But when you start to blend in that contour shade especially, that's when it starts to make sense. I can feel the sound, it's rumbling like rushing winds across my skin. Trumpets echo loud, cymbals shake, the doorpost cracks to let the music in. It's getting loud, can taste it now. And at this point you can really tell that, yeah, it looks like sense. I'm going to continue patting and blending for a bit longer, and then I'm going to do the powder, the blush, the work. So you're going to see everything that I use, and everything that I don't mention will be down in the description below. And now that I've set my under eye, I'm just going to take some bronzer and a fluffy powder brush. I'm using the NYX matte bronzer in deep. Alright guys, so now that I'm set, this is the look complete. I didn't do my eyeshadow, but the lip and everything will be down in the description bar below. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. You guys have been watching CharisMarieTV. Until next time, peace.